Sit back and relax while you enjoy today's video. It is your girl Paris, and in today's video I am going to be sharing my everyday cleaning routine. This routine is super simple and it has become a daily habit. Having a clean kitchen, coming home to a clean kitchen is super important to just set the mood and to have great energy flowing throughout your house. And I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end and like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more upcoming videos. Enjoy! I am going to grab my microfiber glove. I absolutely love this glove. You can purchase it from Target, Walmart, Amazon. It just makes the process so much easier and allows you to get the job done more efficiently. So I definitely recommend picking up one. As you can see right here, I am cleaning really good near my sink faucet because water residue can easily build up if you just leave water sitting there. So just make sure that you keep that area very dry. So not only do you want to purchase a granite cleaner, you also want to purchase a granite sealer. I believe a sealer is applied to your countertops every few years, and it's pretty inexpensive as well. But as far as the granite cleaner, I apply this every day. I know with the granite cleaner, I'm going to have long-lasting results. My countertop is going to shine. It's going to look good, but I also know that I am just doing a simple maintenance every day, which isn't hard at all. And in the long run, I know it will pay off because I am taking care of my countertop, and that is the key. The key is for your items to not only look good but to have longevity as well. So really quickly, I am aligning my bar stools at a slight angle. I just like the way it looks and it's my preference, so that is what I'm doing right here. I am finally done. And as you can see, I am showing you all the results of my cleaner with the microfiber glove. I see shine. I see that the granite countertop is super clean, and you can literally see how long my island is. So it does take a few minutes. Now we're moving on to those dishes. So for me, I do like to put my dishes away in the appropriate place. I do not like having my dish rack out all day long. So everything is organized in the cabinet. So it is pretty quick for me to just locate and know where all the items go. And then after I clear my dish rack of all the dishes and utensils, I will then put the dish rack in its appropriate place too. So it's super simple, and this part is really, really easy. this particular day, I got really lucky. I only had one dish to wash, and I am going to lay that dish on the side to dry. Reason being why I put the drying rack up. However, if I had more items to wash, I would have left the dish rack out. Having a clean sink not only looks good, but will prevent any type of odor or smell. I am smiling right now. I truly do love keeping a clean kitchen, and it's so easy to do this on a daily basis. As you can see, my kitchen island is free of any unwanted items. The dish rack is put up. All the dishes are put away as it should be. Just get into the habit of cleaning and keeping your kitchen island and just your kitchen in general neat and organized. It's super easy to do once you make it a routine. So right now I am just cleaning the remaining countertops in my kitchen, and this area doesn't really get too dirty, but as you can see, I am just wiping down my canister set. And then I am going to just lightly wipe down my stove top. I didn't really cook anything on this particular day, so the stove did not require that much attention, but I will make sure to make another video when I do more heavy cooking. So for that video, I will definitely show you all the products because I do not let grease sit on my stove top. It is super important to get that grease up, because it will cause buildup and it's just a pain. So you want to make sure that you are doing daily maintenance to your stovetop. So right now I am grabbing my microfiber towel and I'm going to just lightly wipe down my oven. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time. All my appliances are stainless steel and it's pretty easy to maintain. I haven't had an issue with it so far, so I just make sure to wipe them down every single day. I try not to show how I feel about you. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. As you can see, here is an overview of my clean kitchen, and the results never disappoint. I love seeing no items on my counter. Everything is put up in its designated place, and this routine becomes easier. The more you do it, the faster you will become at it, I promise you. And hopefully in today's video, you are inspired to maybe dedicate a few minutes out your day in the morning time, in the evening time, to just work on your own kitchen routine. And as always, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. My name is Paris. My channel is called Welcome to Paris, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye!